Hello students. So today in the lecture we will start with our new topic, that is on lift force action on a rotating cylinder. Okay, so consider a cylinder is rotating in a uniform flow field as shown in the figure 1. Okay, so next you have to say that consider a small length of element on the surface of the cylinder. Okay, where this cylinder which is rotating in a uniform flow with a small unit length of element on the surface of the cylinder, not in the inside. Okay, only on the surface of the cylinder. Okay, so now next applying the Bernoulli's equation at 2 points. One at away, okay, one at away point and the other on the surface of the cylinder. Okay, other on the surface of the cylinder. So what will be the equation now? Okay, okay. So this equation is Ps by rho g plus us square by 2g plus zs. The same way it is equal to the element which is on the surface of the cylinder, that is P by rho g u square by 2g plus z. Okay, so this z and zs are horizontal, hence this is equal to what? 1. Okay, so in the next step we are not considering the z in this part. Okay, so Ps by rho g plus us square by 2g is equal to P by rho g plus u square by 2g. Okay, so in the next step, take this us square by 2g in the right hand side. Okay, so then after taking that us square by 2g in the right hand side, what the remaining part will be in the left hand side is Ps by rho g is equal to P by rho g plus u square minus us square by 2g. Okay, next Ps by rho g is equal to P by rho g plus. So then what the changes they have made is they have taken out u square by 2g outside. Okay, so what it will become? U square by 2g, if you take outside, this will become what? 1 minus. Okay, it 1 2g you have, that you have taken out here. Okay, then nothing is there here. So this part will become what? 1 minus us square. Okay, us square. So here what you don't have? U square you don't have. Then that u square will come here. Clear? Okay, so consider this as in equation number 1. Next, what they have told here is us is equal to u is equal to 2u sine theta plus circulation divided by 2 pi r. Okay, so in the place of us you have to put this equation here. Okay, now substituting the value of us in equation number 1. Okay, so what it will become? See, Ps by rho g as it is equal to P by rho g as it is plus u square by 2g in the bracket 1 minus. So in the place of us square, you have to put the above equation. Okay, so this equation will be in terms of what? A plus b whole square. Okay, next we have to get this expression here. Expansion of a plus b whole square. Okay, and the further things are same. Ps by rho g is equal to p by rho g plus u square by 2g. Everything is same here. Okay, then you have to split this a plus b whole square into a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Then after, see, what the changes you have is, you have u square here and you have here u square. You have to take out this u square here. Okay, if you take out this u square, you have to divide this u square by all these terms. Okay, so then what happens? 1 minus 4. This u square will get cancelled. Sine square theta plus circulation square. Here you don't have any u square, so you are dividing, right? So then that u square you have to write here. And 4u sine theta circulation by 2 pi r. Then you have only one u. So here you can write that 1u. Okay, next what you have, cancel rho g in denominator on both sides. Clear? You have to eliminate the rho g. Okay, so ps is equal to p plus rho u square g by 2g into, write down this above equation. Clear? And this g and g will get cancelled. Again, write down the changes what you have did, that equation here. Okay, next this equation you can consider as equation number 2. Okay, so next what we have to consider, or what we have to find here is that length of that element, right? So the lift force acting on the elemental area, okay, so that is called FL. Lift force FL is equal to, you have the integration, that is minus integration of 0 to 2 pi ps dA sine theta. Okay, so you can get that into ps sine theta, that this dA area that you can write as r d theta L, where area you can write r d theta into L. Next what you have, put the value of ps from equation number 2. Okay, so next putting all that equation in the number 2. P plus rho u square 2 and all the equation. Okay, so next what you have to do, multiply this sine theta r l d theta with all these terms, including this negative sign also. Okay, considering and putting all these sine theta r l d theta in all the terms. Okay, so you will get these equations. After putting all these terms, multiplying with the sine theta r l d theta, we know that integration of 0 to 2 pi sine theta d theta is equal to integration of 0 to pi sine cube theta d theta is equal to 0. Wherever you get sine theta d theta and sine cube theta d theta, that term will be 0. See, you have sine theta d theta here, and you have sine cube theta d theta, sine theta d theta, and sine theta d theta. So this all 4 terms will become what? 0. Hence, the remaining terms is what? Rho u square by 2, 4 sine theta circulation by 2 pi u r sine theta r l d theta. Clear? This will be the remaining part here. Now take down the constant term from this part, that is 4 r l rho u square circulation by 4 pi u r, and the only remaining part will what? Integration of 0 to 2 pi sine square theta d theta. Okay, so 4 r and u will get cancelled here. How? Both in the numerator and denominator you have these items. So the remaining is what? L rho u circulation by pi integration of sine square theta d theta. So after integrating, you will get what? the sine square theta d theta value theta by 2 minus sine 2 theta by 4. So put this integrated value, limit value in this. Okay, so after putting that limit value, so you will get what? 2 pi by 2 minus sine 4 pi by 4. This 4 will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled. So sine pi will become 0. So pi minus 0. Okay, so then you will be getting what? L rho u circulation by pi into pi. So this pi and this pi will get cancelled. Hence, the lift force will be L rho u circulation. Okay, so this equation is called as Kutta-Joukowski equation. Okay, so this is how your one derivation part, and this is very important, and this has been arised in your examination also. Okay, please refer this, and if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, or you can contact me through WhatsApp. Clear?